Hey guys, this is a Tesla instructional quickie. I just wanted to show you how to use the Tesla keycard. So if for some reason you don't want to use your phone or you forget your phone, you can always get into your Tesla Model 3 or Y with the keycard. And what you got to do, you just tap it right here, right below the camera. You'll see where the camera is. You just touch it right there to the pillar and the car will unlock. So now that you know how to use a key card to lock and unlock the car, let me show you how to start the car. Behind the cup holders and in front of the armrest, you'll see this wider area here. That's where you're going to tap your key card to start the car. If you get in the car and you attempt to drive the car without a key, you'll see this message displayed. It says, "Tap key card and press brake to drive." And it shows you exactly where you need to tap. Now you know how to use your key card to lock, unlock, and start a Tesla. If you're thinking about purchasing a Tesla, I do have a referral link in the description. I would be honored if you used my link, because that will give me 1,000 miles of supercharging, and it also will give you 1,000 miles of supercharging if you follow through with the purchase. But thanks for watching this quickie tutorial. I will see y'all in the next one.